How to make French toast. Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect French toast. This classic breakfast dish is a favorite among families and friends, and once you learn how to make it, you'll never go back to plain old toast again. So, let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 2 large eggs, half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 6 slices of bread, butter or cooking spray, a skillet or griddle. First, crack your eggs into a bowl and add in the milk, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until it's well combined. Next, heat up your skillet or griddle on medium heat. You can add a small amount of butter or use cooking spray to make sure the French toast doesn't stick to the pan. Dip each slice of bread into the egg mixture, making sure it's coated on both sides. Then, carefully place the bread onto the skillet or griddle. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it's golden brown. Once the French toast is cooked through, it's time to serve it up. You can add a little bit of powdered sugar or maple syrup on top for extra sweetness. And that's it, a simple and delicious breakfast dish that's perfect for any morning. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and easy recipes. See you next time.